Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you class 8th English grammar. Listen carefully. Class 8th English grammar. And I was teaching you this time about the tenses. So today we will study about you can say, future tense. Okay? Forms of future tense. You can see over here. So today we will study about the future tense. Listen carefully. Future indefinite tense. Very first we will study about future indefinite tense. Okay. So let's come. Now we will understand what is future indefinite tense. Okay. It is used to express the action that are expected to take place in the time to come. Over here, you can understand what is written over here. It is used to express the action. It means used, it always expresses about the action that are expected to take place in the time to come. It means वह उस समय होने वाला है जो समय आने वाला है. कहने का मतलब कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर वर्क जो फ्यूचर टाइम में होने जा रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यूचर टेंस. ओके, गुड. आफ्टर दैट you can see the examples also affirmative sentences. Very first you will see the examples of affirmative sentences, and you can see the first example: Rajni will come here today. Rajni will come here today. Number second, very first I want to tell you that what is the helping verb of this tense. You can say will and shall. Okay. The general rule of the will and shall that with the plural subjects you will use shall, and with the singular subject you will use will. Okay. So listen here. Rajni will come here, and Rajni is the subject over here. Will is the helping verb. Come main verb, and here is the you can say Rajni will come here. This is an example of affirmative sentences of the future indefinite tense. So first example you have seen that Rajni will come here today, and after that we will see the next example. We shall win the match. Over here, we shall win the match. This is the example. Okay, and after that you will see the third example of this chapter. This it means affirmative sentences. Sanjay will stay in a hotel. And number fourth, I shall come on Friday. I shall come on Friday. Okay. After that, we will talk about negative sentences. Listen, what is negative sentence? So, if we talk about negative sentences of the future tense, very first negative sentence that you can say describe about anything that is in negation. It means any negative. So you can say they will not play the game, because we already know that in the future tenses we have helping verb as will and shall. So with the negative sentences we will use will not and shall not. Okay, so they will not play the game. Very first you will see they will not play the game. Number second you can say Tanuja will not talk to you. We shall not leave this hotel tomorrow, and I shall not make a mistake anymore. So these are in all sentences you can say will not over here, will not, shall not, shall not. These are the examples of negative sentences. Okay, good. After that, interrogative sentence. Listen, what is interrogative sentence? You know already. Will they go home? It means very first we will use helping verb, after that subject, after that main verb, and all the things remaining. And in this way you can over here understand that with the interrogative sentence it means, and at last you will have question mark. This is the main thing that you understand, that you put in with the interrogative sentences. And you know that all sentences, all the s no type sentences that can be replied in s no, B starts with helping verb. And you know that what is the helping verb of this tense? Will. So will they go now? After that, shall I not appear in the examination? Number third, will the farmer punish them? Number fourth, will Urmila not help you? Okay, and I have told you many times also that because this is as no type questions, and we have another type of question that starts with wh. So you can say why will they go now. अगर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस की बात करेंगे, वेरी फर्स्ट यू विल यूज क्वेश्चन वर्ड. सपोज वाई, तो वाई विल इट मीन्स वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन subject main verb and all things. So why will they go now? Okay, like this. Good. And after that we will study about Future continuous tense. So listen, what is future continuous tense? It is used to talk about actions that will be in progress at future time. It is used to talk about actions that will be in progress at a future time. It means over here, because I have told you that in the present, sorry, in the future continuous, a work that will be continue at any time, यानी किसी समय के दौरान वह क्या रहेगा, कंटिन्यू रहेगा. As you can see the affirmative sentences over here, because in the definition you have seen, in the introduction you have seen that it is used to talk about action that will be in progress at a future time. It means at a future time we are describing any word that will be continue in future time. Okay, like this. And after that you can see affirmative sentences. Bina will be arriving soon. Here as a helping verb you will use will be, shall be. Okay, and you know, because this is the continuous tense, so what is the main thing that we have in the continuous? Verb plus you can say ing. So this form you will use verb plus ing. Main verb ko hi, it means main verb we use in ing form. Okay, so because why be writing like this? Because you can say that this is continuous. So and we know the helping verb also will be and shall be. What is the, you can say what is the helping verb? Will be. What is very first? Will be, and second is shall be. Okay, shall be is also helping verb. So these are the helping verb, and main verb you write main verb plus ing like this, because this is continuous tense. Okay, so listen very carefully. First example you can see from here. Bina will be arriving shortly. Veena will be arriving shortly. Now second sentence you can see, B shall be studying in a room. B shall be studying in a room. And after that, number third sentence you can see, Yogesh will be singing a song. Yogesh will be singing a song. And number four sentence you can say, I shall be traveling in the train. I shall be traveling in the train. Okay. And after that, negative sentences. So what you will be understand in the negative sentence, listen, what is the main thing that you are going to study in the negative sentence? Will not be. What is the helping verb? Will not be, shall not be, as you can see in the sentence. So what will be the helping verb? You can say will not be. Okay, will not be and shall not be. Shall not be. This is the, you can say these are the helping verb. And after that, you know, will not be, shall not be, this is the helping verb. And you know that main verb, with the main verb you will use verb plus ing. Where? In the main verb you can say mb in the main verb. Okay, like this. So listen, with the negative sentences you will, Jinat will not be reading a book tomorrow. Jinat will not be reading a book tomorrow. After that, number second sentence you can say, we shall not be reading. We shall not be reading. Number third sentence, you will not be driving a car. You will not be driving a car. And number fourth sentence you can say, the girls will not be making a noise. The girls will not be making a noise. After that, interrogative sentences you can say, number first I am going to tell you, will he be doing his work? Will he be doing his work? And in number second sentence you can say, will you not help her? Will you not help her? And will they not be buying toys? Shall be, shall be, shall be coming to school in June. So these are the examples of interrogative sentences. You can say, very first we have used helping verb will, after that subject, be, main verb plus ing, doing his work. B shall be, listen, B shall be doing his work. Okay, and you know, at the end of the sentence you will use question mark. So over here you have understand about this also. And one thing that is very important in this, that uh, you will study about WH type questions. Which type? WH type questions. What are WH type questions? The questions that can be not replied in yes no, and you can say that starts with question words. The interrogative sentences that starts with question words. जैसे over here in the second sentence, you can will you not help her, and very first you will when you will use why will you not help her. So this is the WH type questions. Okay, why will you not help her? Okay, good. So I hope you have understand about this, because you have understood about the future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. In the next video I will teach about the future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. You will study it well. I hope you have understand well also. So thank you to students.